Hi guys, back with you in the shop today. One of the things we're going to do today is something that's often overlooked. Simple little things like this PCV valve. There's the old one. There's the new one. They're not expensive. And you know, here's the old hose. It's like porcelain. Look at that. It's just like porcelain. It breaks right off. So these are the things that'll, cause you a lot of trouble. And this should be something that you change as often as, I don't know, every 50,000 miles. This is the one I got here. Shock of shocks, made in the USA. There's the part number. And there's our new piece of hose, and we're going to get underway shortly. Here's your old PCV valve. It's on the driver's side valve cover. Very simple job. Here's the vacuum line that goes to it, and it's very pliable, so I'm not really worried about this line. I think these lines have been changed out, and they're not original by any means. Okay, so there's the new one in. Hoses are hooked up. That vacuum line, as stated, is really in good shape, so I'm not really worried about that. We'll have more later.